Alright, folks, today we're diving into the wonderful world of gut health and the foods that can keep our digestive system happy and thriving. Let's talk about the superheroes of gut health, fiber-rich foods. Foods like beans, lentils, whole grains, and fruits are like fuel for the good bacteria in our gut, helping to keep everything running smoothly. Probiotics are another key player in the gut health game. These friendly bacteria can be found in foods like yogurt, kefir, sauerkraut, and kimchi. They help maintain a healthy balance of gut flora and support digestion. So, don't forget to include these probiotic-rich foods in your diet for a happy gut. Now, let's not overlook the importance of prebiotics. These are like the fertilizer for the good bacteria in our gut. Foods like garlic, onions, leeks, asparagus, and bananas are excellent sources of prebiotics. They help nourish the beneficial bacteria in our gut, promoting a healthy digestive system. Omega-3 fatty acids are not only great for heart health, but also for our gut. Foods like fatty fish, flax seeds, and walnuts are rich in omega-3s, which have anti-inflammatory properties and can help reduce gut inflammation, keeping our digestive system in top shape. And let's not forget about the power of hydration. Drinking plenty of water is essential for maintaining good gut health. It helps with digestion, nutrient absorption, and overall gut function. So, make sure to stay hydrated throughout the day for a happy and healthy gut. Incorporating these gut-friendly foods into your diet can make a world of difference in how you feel. Remember, a happy gut equals a happy you. So, let's show our digestive system some love by fueling it with the right foods. Your gut will thank you for it.